Okey. Okey.
Sila tegakkan tempat duduk, pasangkan tali kedar, tentukan meja anda diletakkan di tempat yang asal dan penutup tingkap dibuka.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome on board AirAsia flight AK5106 bound to Kundasang. I'm the captain speaking from the flight deck. My name is Dinesh, and with me in the cockpit is Senior First Officer Mr. King. At the present moment, we are number 3 for departure. However, there are a lot of aircraft arriving in to land on the runway, so we are slightly delayed. Flight today is expected to be around 2 hours and 20 minutes. Weather along the road is expected to be cloudy, and forecast of weather at Kundasang is expected to be good on our arrival later on. Thank you so much for your patience and understanding for this slight delay. I'll get back to you later just before the top of descent with the latest weather and flight conditions at Kundasang. Thank you for your time.